Trump's tariff plan taking a toll on automaker stocks this month. Another victim, the workers facing drastic cuts to their UAW profit-sharing checks. Phil LeBeau's got the details on this. Phil.
And Melissa, last night, the UAW president, Shawn Fain, said that there would likely be lower profit-sharing checks this year. Big surprise. That's because we are expecting the profits of the big three, the traditional big three, to take a hit this year. How much is anyone's guess? But look at the profit pressure that the three automakers are facing. We're talking about GM, Ford, and Stellantis. Tariff costs, we don't know exactly what they are at this point. They will have lower margins. Almost everybody agrees about that. And the industry sales, they could drop. Goldman was out with a note this week saying, look, we thought it was going to be 16.3 million vehicles sold in the U.S. this year. We think it's probably going to be closer to 15.4. And I can tell you, Melissa, I've talked with a number of people in the industry who would not be surprised if it drops all the way down to 15 million. Meanwhile, General Motors making news today saying that it is going to halt BrightDrop van production. This is according to Reuters. That van is built in Canada. They only sold 101 in the first quarter. According to the article, and we reached out to General Motors, have not heard back from them. The reason is because of slow sales. Well, let's also be clear here. It's built in Canada. Who knows what the tariff implications are here? So General Motors making that decision. Finally, take a look at shares of Tesla. It is halting China orders for U.S.-built models. Which models are those? The S and the X. This is not going to have big implications for the bottom line at Tesla. Yes, they can ship them from here in the U.S. to China, but that's a low volume. Both of those are low volume vehicles, Melissa. But what we're seeing, Melissa, this is what we're going to see in the auto industry. The automakers are picking and choosing what do we want to continue making somewhere and dealing with the tariffs. If it's low volume or low profit, maybe we put it on pause for a while.